What we're asking people to do here is nothing much different than they currently do. Right now, they're brainstorming ideas, they're putting products into development, they're developing products, they're launching them. What they're not doing correctly is developing the right products. So what we want to do is to move way upstream and think about for a second, what's going to ensure they're developing the right product. And we want to know that before they even start developing the product, because we don't want to waste our time and effort developing things that nobody wants. So we have to be able to prove to ourselves that the ideas that we're going to go bring to life in the development space are worth pursuing. This means they have to address unmet customer needs. If we can prove this up front and prove to ourselves that this idea that we're focused on and ready to go develop and invest money in is going to satisfy the top 15 unmet needs in the market, then we're going to go pursue that with rigor, right?